Well, I have a few people from around the world in my kitchen today. I've been a homestay mom for about 5 years. It's a program that runs through Algoma University. There's students that are coming to learn English as a second language and then as well go on into academic studies at Algoma University. We've made friends over the years with the students, and they bring friends over, and then we just get together and I open up my kitchen and we cook things from all over the world, and it's a lot of fun.
What are we making today?
Japchae. It is Korean traditional food.
Okay, and what's in it?
Various vegetables and noodle. We will mix it and fry.
Japchae is my favorite food.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really like this. My mom is very good at making this.
Okay.
I don't know how to open this. We're making sauce for japchae.
And what goes in it?
Soy sauce and sugar, black pepper, and what is this name?
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Okay.
This one.
I can't open this.
Ooh.
We're putting this beef into the sauce. Oh.
My full name is NATGHAPHON ALONGKORNWUTTICHAI.
Okay.
Yeah, you can call me Kok, it's better.
Okay.
Today, Thai food.
Okay. What
Yeah.
exactly?
Beef grill
Okay.
in Thai style. Mineral in Thai style and grill it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna mix with fried rice.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. So I hear your favorite word is absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. That's my favorite.
How come?
Because people always say yes, but absolutely is more cool and different. Yeah. It's not common, and that is something not common.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I was to ask you, is your food going to be good? You would say.
Absolutely delicious.
All I gotta do is
Thank you.
I'm from Kagoshima, Japan.
I'm from Hokkaido in Japan.
I was living alone, so I cooked my meal every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like traditional Japanese?
Oh, not so much.
Not so much?
Yeah, I'm not cook Japanese traditional food
What's your favorite thing to eat at home
at home.
in Japan?
Everything.
And what are you making today? What are you cooking today?
Shogayaki,
Okay, what is that?
ginger pork.
Ginger pork. We're gonna fry the pork with ginger and soy sauce, mirin, onion.
Yeah.
It's very traditional.
Yeah.
Yeah. Success, huh? Impressive. Excellent.